Hello everyone, welcome to my channel EC Point. In my previous video, I have already discussed about universal gates and basic gates along with their truth table and boolean expression. Today I am going to discuss about the circuit mechanism of AND gate. So let's start. So this is the circuit diagram of AND gate, you can see, and this is the truth table of AND gate that I have already discussed in my previous video. So in first case where A and B both are in lower state, so here A equals to 0, B equals to 0, then what will happen, these two transistors are in off state and the current can pass through the T1 and T2, through T1 and T2. So you can see that these two are in off state and the output, the produced output will be 0, as VCC don't have any function to grow up the output, so this will be 0. In case of 0 1, that means A is 0 and B is 1, then what will happen, T1 is off state and T2 is in on state, so current can pass through T2 but not through the T1. So VCC can't functionize its functions just to grow the output, so the output will be 0 in lower state. Similar case for 1 and 0. In case of A equals to 1 and B equals to 0, T1 will be active and T2 will be deactive, so the output will be 0. If both A and B are in high state 1 1, then what will happen, T1 and T2 both are active. In this case you can see that VCC can functionize to grow the output, so current can pass through both T1 and T2 transistor and output will be 1 in high state. So this is the circuit diagram of AND gate. In my previous video, I discussed about 2-input AND gate. Now you can see that this is a 3-input AND gate. A, B, C are the 3 inputs of AND gate and Q is the output. And the Boolean expression of 3-input AND gate is Q equals to A dot B dot C. And this is the truth table of 3-input AND gate. You can see that when the 3 inputs of the AND gate remain in high state, then we can get a higher output, otherwise the outputs are in lower state. So this is a 3-input AND gate. Now I will discuss about multiple input AND gate. In case of multiple input, that this is a multiple input AND gate. This is AB. So AB are the 2 inputs of this AND gate and the output is A dot B. CD is another 2 inputs of this AND gate and the output is C dot D. And EF are the 2 inputs of another AND gate, E dot F. So now you can see that from this three output, it going to be another inputs of another AND gates, and this is the output Q. So what will be the Boolean expression, the multiple input AND gate? This is the Boolean expression of multiple input AND gate. Q equals to A dot B dot C dot D dot E dot F.